Hey, hello. My name is Alex Chandler, and I'll be doing the collaborations or how to use collaborations. And basically, what collaborations are on Canvas is sort of a way to get together, make a group, and work on a document directly, and have it easier to submit to the teacher and a way for everyone to edit it and not just go straight to Google Docs and just kind of share it on there. This way, it's more like Canvas and Google Docs are connecting, and it's not just Google Docs. You can do it like Google Sheets. You can do Word, Excel, anything like that through the use of collaboration. So the first thing that we'll go over is how you can view collaborations. And over here on the right, I'll have Canvas open so that it's more because it'll give examples over here, but going on the actual Canvas site is a little different. So the way you open up collaborations is first you'll go to the class, and right down here you'll go down to the collaborations tab, and you'll be greeted with all of this information. So the first thing on this end is that if there is collaborations, it'll usually just be in this gray area right here next to the names. The few things that you'll see is the title, a little description underneath, as you can see on the left side here. The blue is up here in the title. The bottom section is the description of what that collaboration actually is, the person who made it and when they made it. And if you wanted to start your own collaboration, it would have to be, it's a little different on Canvas. Over here, you have collaborations in the top right. Obviously, you don't have it over here, but you can select the people that you want to and start a collaboration. That will be, I'll tell you what that is a little later on. But to view other collaborations, it would be over here, and it would look like this right here. Basically, when you select it, it'll bring you to whatever document or Excel or sheet it is on about, and it'll just bring you straight there to the people that are shared to it as well. And the way you can create Google Docs collaboration as a student. So the same thing, you go to collaborations, you start one, and then over here, it'll be a little different, but it's up here. So the collaboration, the thing that you'll be using, the thing I have set up right now is Google Docs. And right down here, you would write a document name, just whatever you wanted to make it, and the description, that speaks for itself, whatever you wanted to do, a little one sentence thing. And then you would go down here, select the people that you wanted to right here. You just scroll down, select whichever ones you want, and then you would just start collaborating with those. And then you can also have different groups as well. So you can have more than just one and different people in those groups and have different collaborations with other people. And the same thing, select it and you go to whatever you had selected right here. The next thing is Google Drive, different. So this kind of goes over having different, not just Google Docs. So if you wanted to use Google Drive, it's a little bit different. You'd have to log into the Google Drive and authorize the authentication, everything. It would be the same thing, but it would just look different. You'd have the name of the document, the description of the document, same exact thing. You would have a list of names and different groups. It's the same setup, but it's just a little bit different. And if you wanted to remove people, you just either hit all or remove them one by one. And you can also have, again, different groups, and it shows right here where it's different projects and different people in different groups. So you're able to select them up there. And then with whatever you have selected on the collaboration, whatever document that is on the group, you can submit it straight from the collaboration area. And let's say it's right here. This is the history project, right? You'll be able to edit it right here if you want to go back just before you submit it, or you can just scrap the whole thing and delete it. I believe that deletes the document as well. So if you wanted to, so careful about making it permanent. So the next thing is different, obviously we just went over Google Drives and Docs, but this is the Microsoft Office 365. Same thing, go to collaboration, start one. And then when you have, I don't have it on this computer, but you have Office 365 downloaded on the computer, it will show up in this area right down here. Then you can select that. You'd have to log in again. And then when you're there, you can select whatever you want. So the Word or Excel or PowerPoint, you'd select it from that point. And then again, document name, description, people that you want in your groups, things like that. And you get the same options as the other, the Google version. So you get the study groups and different groups that you can go in. You can save collaborations too. That's will be very useful later on. And again, edit, delete, same situation. And the last portion here is how you would delete a collaboration as a student. So the options that you get when you actually click the delete are these two right here. So you delete it from Canvas. So it would be like downloaded on the collaboration would be downloaded on the Canvas. So like down here, right? And then you can delete that version right down there, or you can also go straight to the Google Doc if it is from the Google Docs. you delete it straight from the Google Docs as well. So it would not only it would delete from here, it would also delete from the Google Docs as well. And it's just a more permanent way of getting rid of whoever you wanted to. So collaborations are really useful in sense of making groups of people from the class. Maybe you don't have their contact info, let's say, and you wanted to make a group with them and then start working on a project or document, whatever. And the collaborations on Canvas are very, very useful for that. And it doesn't have to be just documents. It can be Excel or PowerPoints, anything like that. And it's really organized and very simple to use and just really easy to use. So thank you for watching this, and I hope this was very informative.